I don't think I'm gonna like this stuff though. This might be over my board. You see this, Brian? He's my friend, just so you know. This is what I have to go through when I was out there on vacation. It's freaking crazy. It's a crazy, shocking way. Well, you guys have sunny days over there in America, but you have to deal with all this lightning and thunder out here. Just here. Eating my strawberry. Huh. Ow! Sorry. Crazy, right? Oh yeah, I got a new dog now. He's called Coco. Or Coconut. He's a month and 17 years old. And so we're not probably gonna make it out here. Because when it rains, it's freaking annoying because we don't have wooden houses. We have a concrete with like metal flat sheets as roofs. So it's really loud here when it rains. So, wish me luck.